G'day, Adam, VK4GHZ. Today we're going to take a look at pan and tilt heads for your microwave dish. What I'm using here, this is a Miller fluid head. It actually came from ABC Television. They were throwing it out a few years ago, so I quickly put my hand up and said yes, I'll take it. These are actually bought for the 1982 Commonwealth Games here in Brisbane, so they're over 30 years old, but for an application like this, they're absolutely perfect. So I've done a few little mods to this, and I was lucky enough to score a second one of these absolutely identical off eBay just last week for $100 from a seller in Sydney. So what happens here, what you need to do is basically just drill out and re-tap this base plate so they'll screw directly onto a surveyor's tripod. And it's a real quick and easy thing to do. You just screw out, tighten it up, and this particular model also has a bubble on it, so it's nice to know when the head is actually level, so you can adjust the legs on your tripod accordingly. So I've already separated the two main parts of the head. It's pretty easy, there's only 3 bolts either side to do that. I've put it in the vise. Make sure you level the thing in both planes using a spirit level before you drill. And what we're going to do is drill it out up to 14 millimeters, then we'll tap it with a 5/8 11 turns per inch tap. So there you go, that was pretty easy. Just drill it out, tap it, and it just bolts straight onto the surveyor's tripod. So what I've done here, I've just welded a metal tab onto the end of the handle here, so it gives me a lot more leverage when I'm locking the thing up. Okay, I've done everything I wanted to do. I've got the much bigger handle here at the end here just to nip it up, so the tray locks down to it. I've got the 5/8 tapped hole here, so it bolts directly onto the surveyor's tripod. And another thing I've done, just to improve the tilting, I've actually drilled 2 holes either side and tapped them with M3, and I've got 2 screws going through just to lock this in. One thing I found with the earlier pan and tilt head, that tended to slip because it was only like a press arrangement. So let's go over and put it on the tripod. Okay, we don't need these anymore. These are just CDs, 3 of them. They can make a pretty quick and easy bearing if you're stuck for something, but we don't need them anymore. So with this thread, this is a real simple matter of it bolting to the tripod. Now this tripod came from Bunnings. They're used for laser leveling or surveying applications. They're $75. They've got a flat head, so these tripods come in 2 variants: a flat head, which is what you want, or they're a lot more easy to work with, and tripods with a domed head. There you go, that's up nice and tight. You can buy these tripods off eBay. I think they're around the $58 mark, then they want 20 something bucks for freight, so it's quicker and easy just to go to your local Bunnings store. And of course, if you've got something wrong with it, you can just take it back. It can be a little bit hard with some of these eBayers. So there we go, that's a Miller fluid head, television camera use. You'll find these on places like eBay. It cost me $100, and well worth it.